This is number 1 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says, which expression is equivalent to 1.5 times 4j minus 10k minus 2.5 times 8j plus 6k. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite our expression. 1.5 parentheses 4j minus 10k minus 2.5 8j plus 6k. And so what we're going to do is we're going to distribute both numbers outside the parentheses to everything that's inside the parentheses. So starting on the left, we have 1.5 times 4j, and that's going to be 6j. And then 1.5 times negative 10k is going to be negative 15k. Moving to the right, we have negative 2.5 times 8j, and that's going to give us negative 20j. And then negative 2.5 times 6k is going to give us negative 15k. So now we see that we have like terms of 6j and negative 20j, and then we also have like terms of negative 15k and negative 15k. So we're going to combine each of those like terms together. So 6j and negative 20j make negative 14j, and then negative 15k and negative 15k combine to make negative 30k. So that gives us an expression of negative 14j minus 30k. And if we look at our answer choices, letter C matches that exactly. So we're going to go with letter C, and that is all you have to do. If you're struggling in Algebra 1 or you're just preparing for the Algebra 1 EOC, I want to invite you to try out my platform that I designed for students and parents that need extra help with Algebra 1. You'll get access to every single lesson you'll ever need for Algebra 1, almost 1,000 practice problems with explanations that you can go through, and you can compete with everybody else on the platform to see who can earn the most points from completing lessons and quizzes. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description.